Want to delete battery usage history on your iPhone? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, simply move into battery. Inside battery page, scroll down and you will be able to see all of your data usage app on your iPhone. In order for you to clear them out, all you gotta do is go back to your previous page of settings. And then you need to move into General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. You have to click on Erase all content and settings. Tap on Continue. Make sure to back up before you erase them all. Once again, tap on Erase iPhone. After that, all of your data uses on your iPhone will also be cleared and removed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.